All right, so here we are, day 2 of Serb Fest. We're gonna see how Balkan you. Well, day 2 for me. And so we're gonna see how Balkan you really are by asking you a couple questions, all right? All right, so on YouTube, you know there's a good song when you hear what?
By Milk Ninja.
No.
Good beat to it? DJ videos.
Yes, yes. So if a pair is 2 people and a dozen is 12, what does it mean when people say trojica?
I don't know.
I swear to God. I swear to God.
3 people. Trojica?
Yes, correct.
3.
That's correct. All right, Plava Ciganko is a smash hit from Mila Kitic. What are the colors of the Serbian flag?
Red, white, and blue?
Are they in that order?
I think so. Red, blue, white.
That's correct.
Red, blue, white.
Yep. If Christmas is January 7th, when is Serbian New Year's?
January 14th.
Oh my god.
Wow, you're amazing at this. I'm glad you called for reinforcements.
Ooh. I don't know.
January 14th.
That is correct. What is the Serbian word for garbage?
Smeće.
Ooh, correct. So what Balkan dish smells like fart but tastes great?
Hasoj.
Kubus.
I was looking for sadma, but I'll accept it.
Yeah.
Smells bad. Sarma.
That is correct.
No, Sarma doesn't smell. Gde si ti bio, majke ti?
Partizan and Crvena Zvezda are 2 Serbian soccer teams. Name all 5 judges of Zvezde Granda.
Oh, no chance.
Ja ne znam to. I know Marija. And Luda Jelena. Aca Lukas. Neda. And Milica, I guess.
That's not correct.
Dani.
I don't know. Jelena Karlausha, I don't know.
That is one. You cannot phone a friend. Yes.
What's the other? What? Zorica Brunslik?
No. Fill in the blank. Ukrast ćete blank, pa će blank da ti radi.
What?
It's a nut.
No, not it's a nuts. It's a song. Ukrast ćete blank, pa će svašta...
Milo moje, right?
Stojke.
What?
You don't know who MC Stoyan is?
Yes, we do, but isn't that the lyrics?
No. All right, this is a really hard one and it's super important. Is it Jala Brat or Jala Brat?
Jalabrat. Jalabrat. Jalabrat.
Jalabrat.
Jalabrat.
You want to flip a coin?
Jala, brat.
Jela, brat.
In all sports, you have to beat your competitor. Name one thing that Balkan parents use to beat their kids.
Belts.
Papuče.
Belt.
Prut. Belt.
Yeah, proof. Shoe.
Proper nouns are usually capitalized in sentences. What is the capital of Serbia?
Beograd. I know that shit.
Belgrade.
Belgrade. I was about to say it, but I didn't know if it was right.
Say what? The 2-step, the stanky leg, and the twerk are all famous dance moves. Show me how you colo.
No. Boli mene noga. Izvinite.
I see you walking around just fine.
Srđane,
Give me a chachak at least.
I would need a full ensemble.
Oh, okay. He needs his nošnja.
Yeah.
That's really sad.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general and Facebook and Twitter at surgeongeneral.